welcome back to my channel. I am Tabitha and I am born to DIY. If you're new here, let me first say welcome, and I am delighted to have you a part of the family. If you're returning, thank you for stopping by today's video. I greatly appreciate your support. On this channel, I do all things DIY, from small home renovations to just doing a little upscaling to a space, whether I'm painting, adding in a little decor here and there, clean with me, shopping haul, and even a little gardening. If those things interest you, please think about joining the family. So in today's video, it's a shopping haul. Yes. So I am sharing a small shopping haul. Now, if you're not familiar with that, on my last video, I was cleaning up my office space. As you can see, I'm in that space, okay? And I had a lot of boxes of things that I stated that I needed to share. Some of those I can't share just yet because those need to be put together because they go outdoors. So what I decided to do today is just show you the shopping haul for items that I actually purchased and received that are going to go into my masters, because this upcoming weekend I'm going to do a little touch up, changing a little paint, doing a little moving around and adding some pieces, okay? So we're going to just dive into that. The first thing that I want to share is these, okay? I have two of these, okay? I purchased these from Ross. These were $19.99. Now, I actually wanted three of these, and as you can see here, they come in black and they come in gold. And I in my area, I actually have two Rosses. And so I went to both of those because I was trying to see, can I find a third one? I really wanted three and I couldn't. And so what I did was I went by a near city, which is like 30 minutes out, and I tried to find a third one. They didn't have it as well. So I used good old Google picture shot, try to find other ones. I'm include those images so that you can see. These was $19.99. The ones that was online, uh they was $60. I'm not gonna pay $60 for these, okay? So I'm just gonna take what I got and I'm gonna work with it. So as I stated, I purchased two of those. And then what I also got from Ross, and this was from the second location, is this beautiful, beautiful. Isn't it beautiful? Those flowers are gorgeous. This is a metal wall decor. And then I'll show you also the picture that is on the back. But this was actually on sale. As you can see, you've seen the pink reduced tag. I got that on sale for $23.99. And so I don't know if I'm gonna add I don't know if I'm gonna add both of those into my masters or not. We're gonna see when I start that project, but that's my upcoming weekend project. But I did want to show you something else. I also okay, and I'm going to include a picture, of this. Okay, this here is a charging nightstand. And of course I have to put it together, but by the time you see this, I'm gonna already have it together. Well, no, I'm gonna put it together this weekend, but I'll insert a photo of it right here so you can actually see what it's like. I will also include the price of this. This came from Temu, and so that is going into my masters as well. So I didn't get two. I decided to get one first to see how it's going to go. And the reason of me getting that one was so that my husband have to have multiple things plugged up on his side of the bed. Of course, like the breathing machine and all of that. And I wanted the drawer so that way during the daytime, I can have like his machine and all those things tucked away and not visually out. And then it's a difference of just pulling it out, of course, when he's going to bed. So I'm gonna see how that one fits in the area. Do I really like it? Because if I don't like it there, I can actually use it somewhere else. So that's not even a problem. But if I like it, then I may decide to actually purchase a second one. So we'll see. And then what I also got that I needed, well, I did need it. I purchased this little green mini, okay, cleaner. And I actually got this so that way I got some stains that is on one of my chairs in the kitchen. Um, and so I need to clean that off. I don't have stains or anything on, like my sectional or whatever. We pretty much keep that clean. Like I know you probably seen, of course, the dog is on the couch, but when we let the dog out and the brain dog comes back in, we wipe her down with dog lavender wipes. We clean her paws, and so she's nice and clean once she comes in. But we also have a particular blanket for her that we throw over the sectional. So when she gets on the sectional, she lays on her cover. Let's put it that way. So yeah, but I have some stains that is on that chair. And so I'm going to use that to clean the chair, and it'll be good to have also. Let's see. I have actually, I'm going to go ahead and show you these though. Now listen, these was free. And this is actually came from Temu. And let me just say this first. These curtains supposed to be black. However, they were free. Let me say that. It's 4 panels, and they're actually the 54 by 84. And it's 4 of them, and I'm just going to show you the color. It's like a dark red close to a burgundy. um I would never purchase curtains this color, but like I stated, they was free. They supposed to been black. They didn't come in black. So what I think I'm just going to do is put those into the guest room, and I can just mix that with the black or the brown or whatever. I mean, they was free. Who's going to complain? Lastly, what I would show you is I have a cup. Oh, wait. Sorry. Well, these are some items that I actually got from Christmas for next year. No. But I can show you a couple of items that my son brought me back from Malaysia. Isn't that cute? So I have some pieces that I need to actually put out. Like I stated, these are pieces that my son had brought back from Malaysia. And these items are actually going to go up into my office. Isn't that gorgeous? And that piece came actually with a stand also, so that way it can just actually sit up into the stand. And I also have this clock. Isn't that beautiful? And then look, even around here. So yes, that's a clock that is also from Malaysia. And those are actually going over on my desk that is actually behind me. And then I have a couple of other things that is also from Malaysia. Yep. So anyway, friends, Like I stated, I have a bunch of other pieces that I need to share with you all, but I want to try to get some of the things out of the office as possible. These boxes are now starting to irk me. I don't know about you, but it drives me insane. FedEx actually just left here and brought some more boxes from a few other things that I have. And so I'm hoping I can get those together and go ahead and have them situated for next week's shopping haul. We're going to see how the weekend goes. Shouldn't take me long to do my room. But anyway, so for my upcoming video, as I stated, I will actually be into my master's working on that space. I'm going to step out my comfort zone again. And so we're going to be doing a little painting in there, taking some things out, changing some things around, and we're just going to see how that goes. So I'm looking forward to that, friends. Thank you so much for stopping by today's shopping haul. um, I hope that you enjoy these pieces that I have shared with you, and I actually look forward to seeing you in my next video. So, friends, remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Please like, share, and comment. If you don't want to comment for today's video, leave me a shopping bag, a shopping cart, or something down in the comments for today's video. Until next time, friends, remember to always be bold, be creative, and most importantly, friend, be you. Until next time, bye.